M2 competition with the M3 and M4 engine. This has the GPF filters and it sounds pants. Let's change that. Let's get this Remus exhaust system on. This thing's gonna sound epic. So the Remus GPF back system is now on and it sounds amazing. If you're here at the end of the video, or if you watch at the end of the video, you're going to see it out on the street. It's going to sound superb. So this, as I mentioned, is a GPF back system. So it keeps the original cats, keeps the original GPFs, and it's the racing version, which means it has no middle resonators and the back boxes are tiny for maximum noise. But what's good, this is still valved and it uses the OEM original system for that valving. So it means you can control it on the M1 and M2. And yeah, this thing is just mega. So big tips, big noise, fantastic fitment. And I mean, it really does fit beautifully. But we're going to get this thing out on the road. You're going to see some B-roll and some sound and audio actually driving. Enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.